This is me, always needing physical therapy, making best friends with my massage therapist, always there. Why? Because my posture at the computer, like you, probably.
This one's interesting. It's a short I found. It just briefly shows a setup. It looks like he's using like a roost stand, like a MacBook Pro, and he has this keyboard. I was looking into trying to buy this keyboard before I bought my Shuffle ergonomic keyboard. He has a GoldTouch keyboard. It's a split keyboard and it kind of has like built-in tenting. Looks very interesting. If you're just looking for like a regular keyboard that's just split in the middle and allows the sides to sort of tent inwards like this, seems to be a good option. But they're kind of hard to find. I think you can find them on Amazon, or you can find them on like AliExpress. There's some like weird like small sellers who are just selling on AliExpress. So have a look there. I think it's called the GoldTouch Go To Split Raised Keyboard. Yeah, so let's check out his setup and yeah, see what he's got for us.
Sucks. Hunched over, got the external keyboard, got the mouse, but still hunched over. Well, beach, great. Now I started using the laptop stand. Now I started getting it even higher. I started doing reformer Pilates, fix my hands, shoulders, neck, Kegel muscles even. I got the even taller one here, stand, and it's all set up finally. Now that's all on my blog here with product
Yeah, that you saw the keyboard there. It's the GoldTouch keyboard. It looks like he has a roost stand. Yeah, so roost stand, and it looks like he's actually using a trackball mouse, maybe the MX Ergo trackball mouse, thumb trackball. Yeah, pretty decent little setup. I thought that was interesting. I thought I'd just share that with you quickly. Let's move on to the next.
Perfect.